Chubby Bunny challenge where you stick marshmallows in your mouth and say Chubby Bunny and see who wins by sticking the most in their mouth. We don't have marshmallows, so we're going to do it with Peeps. So the rules are you put it in your mouth, you can't chew it or swallow it. You leave it in there and you say Chubby Bunny. The one who can't say Chubby Bunny loses if it comes out your mouth or you quit or you chew it. So Alexa's gonna start. Put one in your mouth and say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Don't eat it. You gotta stick it all the way in your mouth.
Don't choke.
Don't choke. These are hard not to chew. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
It's your turn, Crystal. She said Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Don't choke.
Don't choke yourself. We might just be able to do
I think Alexa's out.
Alexa's out. I can smell it. Oh my god. Chubby Bunny.
I don't think it was pulling more.
It's melting. This side's melting. Chubby Bunny.
Crystal's out.